Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel Emotions Unplugged. I'm back over here with my same tagline, it's time to speak. Since the last few episodes, I have been talking about stress, depression, how to balance all this. Perhaps somewhere I reached at a point of raising a point of hope. But today I have something different to deliver in front of you all. I'm dragging you to a different world. Perhaps somewhere you will find some sort of solution of all these questions erupting in your mind. Actually, I always discuss about a statement: beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. And I love to quote a favorite poet of romantic generation, John Keats, who said that a thing of beauty is a joy forever. So today, actually, I just want to enhance the concept of beauty. It is exactly, I would rather like to say that it's a feeling, it's a concept. It cannot be ever materialized. Beauty is there very much within yourself, in each and every aspect, in each and everything, in each and every stem that has been surrounding you, and you are there within, engulfed with. I'm actually a lover of nature. I also like to quote over here that don't just love nature, try to worship nature, because perhaps somewhere or other there lies the element of beauty. As it is said, rightly said actually, the moments that we have crossed, the memories that we are cherishing, each and every thing has been sharpened with one particular element, that is beauty. Because the joy, the happiness that you receive from beauty, that is actually eternal, that is everlasting, that never stops for a while, never ends, is forever. And hopefully, why today I thought of sharing all this with you? Because the life we are leading, each and every moment that we are passing through, somewhere or other, we are blessed with the elements of nature. Hardly we ever show our gratitude towards it. So, that is actually the concept of beauty. Sometimes it happens that we get lost. We feel that we are finished. We reach at a dead end, an end in itself. But that feeling of or emotion of beauty that is very much underlying within each and every individual, if you realize that that thought itself gives you as if a rebirth, gives you as if a new path ahead to move on with your life. Because these are actually the different processes or elements that are happening in everyone's life. There is a saying also that love at first sight. Have you ever thought of having a conversation with a green leaf? Have you ever thought of looking at a beautiful cloudy sky and just throwing a lot of questions that are coming to your mind? Perhaps at some point you will feel that these elements reply you, maybe to your subconscious mind, or when you are at a state that you will realize that something is over and something is about to end. At that point, again, these elements will reflect that no, nothing is over, still there is a hope. And who has brought this hope? that element of beauty. Each and everything. Sometimes I also address to students also in many points of time that they go by the saying that failure is the pillar to success. Why do we say this actually? Because unless and until we fall down, we can't know what is exactly that mistake. We go on proving that yes, overcoming that failure is actually the pillar to success. That is the element of beauty. That means we have to accept this in our life that all those things that are happening in our life, something or other is having a beautiful point in our life. That point moves around our life. Perhaps maybe that is a point that raises our desire, our hope, which entrusts us with that sort of confidence that okay, nothing has happened. We have that willpower. Again, we can lead on. We can move ahead. So when I'm talking about a thing of beauty is actually a huge concept. Starting from everyday morning till we end up before going to bed, all through the day, what all the activities or what all other everyday course of our life, some or other, gives us the point to think that yes, this has happened to my life, perhaps it has a cause. That cause is nothing but it is adding a new feeder to our life, that is a feeder of beauty. Have you ever gone back to your memories of your childhood days? Don't you feel that those are having a deep impact in a present state of our life? It's very rightly said that morning shows the day. Why exactly morning shows the day? Because that innocent eagerness, which is very much reflected in a newborn baby's face, also that element of beauty just adds on all the beautiful things in your life. Perhaps you forget at one point that okay, these worries, this tension, this fear, this insecurity that is surrounding my life is just for a phase. That phase somehow or other will just pass on because it is again a passage of time. Again, a new phase will come in front of you where you will be having a beautiful thing surrounding you. Maybe a flowery plant, maybe those elements which are there very much within us and around us. Actually, I don't think that everyone's perspective meets at one point. Obviously, it varies from person to person. But when I'm speaking in front of you, I feel like sharing what exactly are the phases and the experiences of life because I've come across all this. Perhaps somewhere or other, I like to realize a point that maybe this element of beauty or this thing of beauty which everyone has within them, perhaps they are lacking to identify that. That is a greatest weakness actually. If we'll randomly ask someone, what's your strength? What's your weakness? Obviously, someone will take a pause to speak about your own self, but it's very easy to speak about others. Why? Because that much time we have not given for our own self to identify who we are exactly. Just take a pause to identify yourself. Perhaps there you will find what exactly I'm talking about, the beauty of life. Life is exactly what's rightly said. Life is so beautiful. We are just creating the different pores and just dragging it, stretching it from each and every corner, and perhaps we are just in a process of spoiling it. Hopefully, maybe I'll be very soon coming with another episode of Thing of Beauty because a lot of things I need to share actually because people have a different perspective of living their life, and in this particular era when we are rushing ahead with a race of competition, so much of struggles, challenges are there. If these small things, if you just think about and take a pause to wonder about what exactly is going on in our life, perhaps your life will be beautiful. Perhaps you will get all the answers to your questions that are coming to your mind. What is exactly the importance of food in our life? Hopefully, very soon I'll be meeting with my next episode of This Thing of Beauty. Till then, don't forget to give your like, your comment, and your subscription to my channel Emotions Unplugged. Have a great day ahead. Thank you. Bye bye.